Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be discussing the coupon widget. The coupon widget is an easy way to add a fully fledged and complete coupon to any page of your site, and this coupon can be pretty much anything you want. It can be a link, it can be a discount code, and in order to access that coupon, users would have to either fill out a set of conditions or they can access the coupon immediately. So you would simply click add a new widget and the coupon is located right near the top. Once you create a coupon, it's going to ask you to fill out that main information here. You can set a title right here, and you can do subtitles as well. So about the coupon, you can determine how the coupon is accessed. You can determine if they don't have to do anything to access the coupon. So in order to gain access, nothing is required and the coupon is immediately visible, in which case the coupon is always immediately visible. Or you can have them fill out a form in order to access the coupon. When you select that, it's going to give you the coupon form fields, and you can select different fields. You can select multiple fields by holding shift and clicking. So let's say we want them to fill out the name, email, as well as the country and city. We'd simply click those. And when you save this, it's going to now ask them that information before they can access the coupon. Once they fill out all this information, they'll be able to click send form and then access the coupon. And that information will go to whatever email you designate right here in the send form data to. Whatever you put in there, that's where the information is going to go. And you can also post that to a form as well. You can also have them share a link to their social profiles. So if you select this, the users are going to be presented with a set of sharing buttons, and they would have to click on one of those buttons and share that link in order to actually be presented with the coupon. So you can have them share, and you'll see it has all the main social media links now, and if you were to click on one and share, that would then unlock the coupon. Or you could have users watch a video to unlock the coupon. So you would simply paste a YouTube video URL right there, and that would require them to watch a video. And then for the coupon instructions, right below that, you would simply type out the instructions you want them to do. So if they have to share the social media link, you would simply say, share this link to your social media to unlock the coupon. Or if you want them to watch the video, you would simply type watch this video, and then they would know to watch the video, and that'll unlock the coupon. So you can see our video is right there. And you can also determine the expiration date. So if you want the coupon to expire, you can set a specific date and time that the coupon will be expired and no longer valid. So anybody who would try to access it after that point would not be able to access the coupon. And for the coupon itself, you would simply put the title as well as the text, and this would be basically the prize. You could put a discount code, you can put a URL for, pretty much whatever you want. You can also upload images. So you can upload an image and then put text as well for that coupon. And you can also put terms and conditions. So if you have any specific terms and conditions, like one per person, and expires at this date, not valid for so-and-so, you would put all of your terms conditions right here. And once you save everything, you'll see a little terms button has appeared right there at the bottom. Once you click this, that terms and conditions is going to pop up right there and tell all about the terms. And you can see we have everything set here. We have the coupon text, a title, an image, and we require them to watch a video. And there's the video URL right there. So if you were to go and view this site, you can see that once this video finishes, it should only be 10 seconds long. The video is going to play all the way through. Users are not able to fast forward through the video, so they can't skip anything. And once that's finished, it'll then show the title, it'll show the text right here, and any image you uploaded. And you can also scan the QR code, and that'll redeem the prize. Once that QR code is scanned, then that coupon is automatically redeemed. Or they can redeem manually by clicking redeem manually, and that coupon will now be redeemed. and they won't be able to access it again because it has already been redeemed. So it's a pretty simple to use. You can see you just simply set the access, enter your instructions so that they know what to do. You can set an expiration date, and then you put your prize right in here. And once it's all set, users would then be able to access the coupon, and you're all set and ready to go.